Hmm. All right, 20 seconds. We open. Let's see what's going on. You in a trade, Sergio?
Order filled. Order filled.
Doing.
Order filled. Target filled. Stop filled.
Yo, good morning, morning.
Morning.
What's going on? Oh, there's the push on. Ooh. Spicy. All right, let's see.
Destiny's highs.
Let's see. We're gonna push 21,558 if we keep pushing. But we gotta close over this exchange. They we're in a very bad area to be opening at. In all honesty,
Yeah, no.
we've been fighting this level since May 15th.
Yeah, I'm trying for about 5 points right here. Looking for.
Maybe this a little higher.
Order filled.
Let's see if we can push to this high.
Yeah, I just hit my take profit. Start the day with a little 3
Very
micros
nice.
for 5 points.
Very nice. Let's see if we can get this to the swing high.
I don't like those round numbers, 59, 50, you know.
Yeah.
I took one down around 59.44 on MES and put a take profit for 59.49. Hit that. So I want to see if we're gonna break
We're
through
gonna get
this.
some moon sauce today.
See if we break through this 59.50. Looks like it's pushing pretty good.
Yeah, it wants to.
Macy's and Costco released earnings before the open today. That might be where some of that push came from. They're not like huge market movers, but they're a sign of consumer spending.
Yeah.
You know, Costco, I guess on their earnings report, they have something called the cart value. So like the average, you know, amount of money that people spend.
The shopping trip.
Yeah, like it's usually around like $400 or something. So, and then Macy's, they're a good sign of like consumer spending, even though they don't like really push the market. Salesforce and Nvidia later will push the market, but that's after close. So
Just not sure where we want to go.
yeah, see, it's rejecting off of that 59.50 a little bit right here on MES. Yeah, that was a good.
Order filled.
That was a good take profit for 59.49. I took profit. Now we're headed back down a little bit.
Of course, I didn't.
Those things, 59.50, 6,000, you know, 5,900. Those are all those psychological support and resistance zones.
I don't want it to. I want it to close, but you know what I mean. Like, I don't want to sweep this swing high because if we do, we could just eat up all of London and all that shit that we just had. That's not what I want.
If this, see where this bar closes, and it's outside of the upper Bollinger Band right now.
We still have a pretty large fair value gap here.
If this bar closes outside of that upper Bollinger Band and this RSI is up above 70, I'd look for a couple of points back.
Let's see.
Order filled.
Sergio, you quiet? You're on mute, buddy. You're talking. You're
Sorry.
definitely on mute.
He was on a phone call a minute ago.
Target filled.
All right, let's see. Let's try to mark.
So I've been doing these 25K take profit accounts now.
Got 25Ks.
Yep.
Target filled.
Because it's still, you got 3 minis or 30 micros to play with. I don't ever go that high anyways.
Yeah.
And it's only and it's equivalent drawdown with profit target, right? It's 1500 drawdown,
Yeah,
1500
it's a 1
profit
for 1.
target.
It's a 1 for 1.
Yeah. So I'm playing with these.
Pretty much what it is. You could literally buy 2, go 1 for 1.
Yeah, I mean, and funded, I mean, I'm not gonna make any less money with 25Ks than 50Ks. So I have I still have a 50K pro account that I could reset. So I'm gonna ride these 25Ks, get those to pro, and then take some profits on those and probably reset that 50K. And then I got a Bulanox funded. I'm at minimum payout level right now on that one. Got this is day 7. So I've been doing pretty consistent, man. This will be 7 days trading that one. So I need about, next Monday will be day 10.
That's how many days did they make you on that?
They make you go 10 days to pay out. So I've got 6 profitable days and going for day 7 right now. But it's minimum payout of $1,000, so $1,000 above the buffer, so $3,600 for minimum payout, and then so I want to get this one up to.
Damn, we just dumped.
Yeah, it's closed.
Jesus.
Yeah, it came back down and closed just inside that upper bound.
Target filled. Target filled.
God damn. This is not what I meant.
Whose cash register is that?
That's Sergio's.
I'm right there with you, Serge. Let's go.
Let's see. I'm gonna.
Stop filled.
Man, that is not what I saw happening.
I think this is just a little pullback for another.
Yeah, that level is yesterday's week's. That's previous week's high.
That swing high. It wasn't yesterday's high.
Previous week's high.
Oh yeah, we just swept the weekly.
Previous week's high was. Yeah, the prior high, we've been past that. Yeah, let me see. Prior week high was 21,488 and a quarter. No. What am I saying? That's incorrect. That's the prior high. Prior week high was 562 and a quarter.
All right. Well, I treated that.
And
I
then
treated that like a little pullback and grabbed another.
We just closed in we just tapped just closed in that.
Yeah.
All right. So
There you go.
let's see what we do here.
No doubt.
Order filled.
Okay.
Here's bar close.
Yeah, I went short ES 59.50, exit at 45, so just grab me 5 points. These are now.
I had a
payout.
Yeah, I started the day with a 59.44 and grabbed profits at 59.49. And then on this little dump right here, I grabbed a little bounce for a couple of points.
Dumpy.
Headed back down towards the VWAP now. VWAP at 59.38.
Target filled.
We fixing to touch that 50 again.
Yeah, ES, not ES, NQ at the 500 level. We just broke through opening price. So let's see if we can touch 50%. We got closing price down there. We also got a golden ratio, so 477 could be a nice area to bounce from. But let's see.
This thing is going.
There they go.
Order filled.
Man, what's good with y'all boys, man?
What's going on, man?
Little market open fun here.
Potential little bounce from this spot. Quick bounce and then maybe a dumpy.
It'd be nice, a little retest after 38.
Yep. Looks like we might get it too. We might get it. Come back up to like 505 level, and then
Go first.
Quick little easy free trade.
Stop filled.
There we go.
Order filled.
Order filled. Target filled.
You buying or shorting?
Yo,
Mike?
who?
Sure.
Damn, it ripped right through that.
Yeah.
Order submitted.
A bit of a bounce right there. A little bounce off of this 5-minute support.
Potential support spot. Y'all know what it is. Good breaker. It's 10-point bounce.
One.
Yeah, I
One.
was hoping for a little bounce off that 5-minute support, but stopped out.
What's that? A 10-point bounce, 15-point bounce, right quick.
You
Clean.
catch that 61, Lou?
Nah, I didn't catch it. I'm already done.
Hey, let's go. Oh, look at that. Look at that.
Man, it just
You cash out on your short, Mike?
And we took it to that 50% of that low of that fair value gap that we had.
Damn, look at that 61.8. Man. Man. To be
right
real
there.
with you, I was going to take the 61, but I seen the clear range. So I'm like, we might just break through it. So I was going to wait for a bounce for like midway or even like get close to the 78. And once I seen that bounce, I was going to enter. But plot twist, we didn't get that
Yeah,
bounce.
they didn't play about it today. Whew.
Yeah.
That's clean.
That's how much we got? Like 40 points, 50 points?
Yeah. You do that one trade every day. If it comes, you can be. Here you go. 67 to 97. That's 30 points. 507, 40 points. What we got there? Yeah.
We need to build an algo around this.
Yeah, I gotta talk to my guy about that because I already know he took that trade. Without even, he's probably out on a run or something. Yeah.
Hey man, y'all boys take it easy, man. Good shit, man. I'm just checking up on
Yep.
y'all boys, man.
Yes, sir.
Already.
Order submitted.
Mm,
20-year bond auction at 1. FOMC May FOMC minutes release at 2. No presser.
I wonder what this Richmond Manufacturing Index.
Yeah, that ain't shit. That ain't shit. Let's see. And then there's like Treasury buyback announcements and survey of business uncertainty and all of none of that.
Damn, FOMC thing.
Yeah, just the meeting minutes. Wait, where was the
no?
The 20?
I was in 5
Order filled.
contracts
Order
short.
submitted.
Nice.
Damn.
No, it stopped me out at $800. Yeah, trying to make 3K. Oh,
you did 5 whole mini?
150 micros, yeah.
Oh my god. Were you gambling over there?
No, I add in every time we break structure. I add.
Nice.
I'm on the 15-second chart, so I'm just boom, boom, boom.
Oh, gotcha.
Yeah. Oh, that hurt my soul.
I'm just going slow and steady.
Wait,
Oh, there's no 20 here.
was that was that some profit or you took a loss?
No, I was in profit.
Oh, then would that hurt your soul?
No, because it only gave me 800 profit. Oh, I'd have been up like 3K.
Oh, gotcha, yeah.
Yeah, this is the live accounts.
Lost 5 here.
Ricky, Lou, where were you at? Where were you, Lou?
5
Lou.
no auction.
Damn it, Lou. You had one jump.
I thought that was a 20-year, 5-year note option.
All right, let's see. We closed.
Can we
All right, we
correct
filled
that?
this giant 5-minute fair value gap from London.
Where we at?
No, we're gonna take all this back. We're gonna fucking kill London. Watch.
Order filled.
We are going to kill London. 21,428. Here we go.
Down a couple more points.
Oh, it's the 5-year. Okay.
Order
And then
filled.
oil at that time. All right.
See what we
We
do.
good money now. Let's go.
Q gap is
Okay.
That's nice order block. Alright, we're gonna fall all the way, baby. This 5-minute fair value gap ain't shit. Yo, that 4-hour wick is horrible. But we still closed. Let's see if we can reclaim Asia high. We're gonna use it as resistance.
50 right here, make or break right now.
Yeah, I'm gonna try to go for a short here. Off Asia high.
Ooh, let's go. Let's go.
Oh wow. Oh shit. Come on, give it to me, baby. Whoa, whoa.
Order filled.
Hello. We're gonna take Asia back a while. Maybe not. Come on, Dudski.
All right. Let's take that for now. I got some stuff to do, guys.
Bye, buddy.
Take a little 100 and something on each account for now. Probably come back in after lunch and see what it looks like.
I'm about to destroy her computer.
Don't do it.
Bro, what kind of sociopath has your phone, your MacBook, and your iPad linked? Everything in the house rings when she gets a phone call.
I mean, my iPad and my phone, but I don't.
She got everything. She's not even home right now. That's the crazy part.
We figured that he wouldn't be talking shit.
Oh, sir, you don't know me very well. I talk that shit. Shit's like foreplay, boy.
Stop filled.
Oh, Ricky.
Oh no, Ricky. All right, he stopped filled. Now it's time to drop.
Probably, bro.
Oh no.
Damn.
Oh no. Nah, we gonna drop. We gonna drop right here.
Okay, now drop.
Now drop.
Oh.
Yeah. Yo.
Damn.
Where's Sergio at? You okay, buddy? He's gonna stop me out too. Don't worry. He's gonna stop me out too. Ricky.
All right, make sure all my shit is flattened out and log off here for a couple hours. All right, everything flat, everything logged out. I'll see you guys after lunch.
FOMC minutes at 2, right?
Yeah, watch it. If you got the funders, you can't trade that news.
50
Not
mic.
really expecting any major movement because nobody's expecting a rate cut, but
Yeah, you'll see some twitchy.
No, there's no decision being made today. It's just the minutes.
yeah, but it's all about buy the rumors, sell the news, man. It's how they interpret the context of the comments, you know. Do they
Right.
sound...
No, I know that. I'm just saying for people that don't know, there's no decision being made. This is literally just the meeting minutes from the from earlier.
Yeah, decision in June, right?
Mm-hmm.
But nobody's expecting a rate cut though, but they want to hear those minutes to see if they hint at any type of possible rate cut coming up in June, but nobody is expecting anything until September. So we'll see. Y'all happy trading. Talk to y'all later.
Later. Come on. Looking around this level a lot right now. Just choppy.
Yeah, it's trash now.
Well, yeah, you took freaking profit.
I took a $7 loss right there.
How? You trail?
No, I wasn't trying on that one. I just moved. So I said, okay, we're halfway into into my first take profit. So in case it reverses, I want to take a full L. So I just set it where it was just $7 loss. Yeah, which that's not bad.
Come on, dumpy. Just dump. Just go. Fucking balls. All that selling pressure. You know you want to take London back. You lost Asia high. Now it's time to go Asia low. Come on, honey, you fun now. Let's go. Go back to Asia.
Jesus.
Get happy ending.
Wow.
Bro.
That's gorgeous.
If I were to close right here, I know it would dump. That's the crazy part. Like if I just take my profit. Oh, your mama. Come on.
Man, they're playing hard with it.
I know, right? See it dump, take out buy side liquidity.
You know, the feeling that people experience when they stand on the edge like this isn't a fear of falling. It's a fear that they might jump.
That 50 holding nice though.
Damn, now watch, it's gonna drop. I took profit. You ready? Oh. You lost Asia high. You need to go to the next low, which is London low. Well, technically. When does Asia start? 4 o'clock? 3 o'clock. Oh, we kind of did good. Just playing with my emotions, Smokey.
What am I? Motion smoky.
Yeah, it's a little order block right here, so let's see what happens. Oh, we chopping now. We going down for real.
Order filled.
We in the chop, Sergio. No.
No. It's just sim account.
Oh, I'm about to say, dog. I'm gonna be mad if we don't from here. We touched this Asia high so many times. We used it as support at 7:30 this morning. Touch. We failed it, and then we tap. Yo. Oh.
50 and 61.8. There's just
I know, just give it up already, bro. Yo, it's gonna go all the way. It had me at positive 800, went all the way back to 0. I mean,
damn.
I closed at 400.
Hey, that's not bad. Shit.
I need more. Trying to be aggressive with this account.
Yeah. I need to get in the habit, bro, on dollar cost averaging into positions.
Not at 50, not at 25 micros a piece. It's gonna go. It's gonna fake out. Let me get the fake out. Can I just get the fake out? We just had this nasty fair value gap way up here at the top.
Order filled. Order filled.
What? Oh, you mother flower. Did I have it at 500? No, what happened? I'm so confused. What happened? Why did my order get filled?
You had a ghost order?
No, my. What the hell? I don't have a personal profit target. Oh, what a dummy. I was dragging my take profit down, but I forgot to let it go so it could lock in.
Oh shit.
So I had it at 500 and I'm dragging it down, but I'm not letting it go for it so it can place the actual order.
Yeah.
Rookie.
You Gucci though?
Oh yeah, I'm up.
Okay, bet.
Get my 500, but I mean, it probably would have stopped me out here anyway.
Order filled.
Let's try to go for a small sell again. Let's take out this liquidity here and then dumpy.
That boy Lou.
Where that boy Lou at?
Wellness check.
Silent killer.
Hey. How's it looking like, fam?
Rich.
My shit's probably all fucked up. Y'all can hear me?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Oh, okay. Yeah. He got up out of there.
See what
Got up out of there. Nope.
What happened was
Definitely gotta do what it do, and then get out. Yep. Took a couple trades and go. Yeah. Hello, you want Richard? What kind of iced coffee you like in the morning? Okay.
iced. He's like iced.
Yeah. Yeah.
Myself, I hate it eventually.
Right.
So now instead of being like extra cream, extra caramel, basically melted ice cream is like skim milk, 2 caramel, 2 like coconut, like
Okay.
sugar-free shots or something.
Order filled.
And I was like, you know,
You don't like it?
it's all right. Eventually, I'm just do like water.
Yeah, I'm trying to cut down. I do like the organic regenerative one, but I just keep it a little bit of cream. I don't do sugar anymore. Yeah, nah, I can't do that either.
Good stuff. Oh,
Order filled.
we might push here. We kind of curling. Could be wrong, but
Order
definitely
filled.
wrong. Ooh, it's definitely curling right there.
Oh, my fault. Yeah, I was talking to the concierge. Yeah, man, this is get in there and get up out of there.
Yes, sir.
Order filled.
Man, the weather's nice in Boston.
Man, I heard we had one of our, I guess they needed some TDY, which is like temporary support from our airport. So, and when we do that, it's all overtime. So you're kind of on call 24 hours type shit. Like, hey, tomorrow you come in at 5 a.m. Hey, tomorrow you're coming in at 10 a.m. Tomorrow you
What are
coming
you
in.
talking about?
Like the airport.
You talking about Logan?
Yeah. You know JetBlue big over there, my boy. Come on.
Yeah, I'm on. I got a JetBlue flight coming up.
Oh, you about to enjoy it, my boy.
Yes, sir.
We got the good snacks back. We got goldfish.
Oh wait, you work for JetBlue?
Yeah.
Oh,
I know that. Been working there for a long time, my boy.
Hey, hook us up with the employee discount.
Yeah, what you got? What it comes? What's the buddy pass?
Yeah, we buddy passes, but man, it's to the point where sometimes the confirmed seat is
You don't
like,
even get it, right?
No, yeah, standby is you know you pay for a discount ticket, but you know
Right.
if the room you get it.
If there's room, you get it. Yeah.
It's got a seatbelt in the porta john in the bathroom.
You know? you get whatever's left. Sometimes there's upgraded seats, sometimes there's the back row, sometimes you gotta split up. It is what it is.
Hey, that's right, yo.
But with how they restructured everything, sometimes a confirmed flight is you pay $40 more for a real ticket and you're guaranteed a seat. I don't know what they did, but
Oh wait, like buddy plus price plus $40?
no. Like if you were to buy a buddy pass from me, say it's $100, right?
Yeah.
You went to DC.
Yeah.
On their website, and it's like $140 for confirmed ticket. Like confirmed
Got
seat,
it.
we call it confirmed seating. Like you're guaranteed a seat.
No, that's what I'm saying. Yeah, a buddy, whatever the buddy price,
so
price,
for
whatever the
for
buddy
$40
pass
more,
price plus
yeah,
40.
$40
Yeah.
more, pay that shit.
Hell yeah.
But like LA for me is like $150 round trip.
Yeah.
For the buddy pass. Oh, I fly free.
Yeah,
I fly
bro.
for free, bro.
Yo, bro.
I can fly on other airlines for free. Sometimes a small fee.
You be everywhere then, huh?
Hell no, I'd be fishing.
Damn, bro. If I was you,
Bro, I just paid $1,500. We're flying the Florida Spirit, and then we're coming. Hey, we're coming back. We're coming back from Florida.
You think you're coming back?
we go MCO to back to Boston on JetBlue, and I paid
you're
for the
flying to
upgrade.
Disney?
We're going to Universal.
Nice.
I'm taking so I just paid $1,500 for the flight back for 3 people. So it's $600 the way there, and then $1,500 on the way back.
Yeah, but that's including your bag, right? Like you paid for the whole bag thing
They
too.
didn't even pay for the bag shit yet.
Nah, they got the ticket without the bag.
Oh, you know what? I'm lying.
Yeah,
it is the ticket with
they changed the ticket structure now. If you buy the ticket, different classes, the bags come with
it. Yeah, and I got I paid for the upgrade too, to get into the front seats.
Oh, you got the even more leg room, bro. How tall are you?
Yeah, I'm close to 6. I'm 5'11". I'm like 5'11".
Bro, you'll be fine. Let me tell you something. You're gonna be fine in any seat you sit in.
No, I know, but the only reason why we paid for that was because everywhere else in the plane, all the seats were spread out, and I was like, "Yo,
well, they would have, they would have moved people around or upgraded you for free."
Nah, I mean, I know you work there, but you got family.
But when you're with kids, sometimes they'll either upgrade other people to put a family together, or they'll just put the family in those seats. There's our drop, Serge.
It's cool now, but what I ended up doing was I just paid for all the leg room in the front. We're in the second row of the plane now.
Yeah, but you ain't need all that because I mean, unless you're 6'5", bro, you can sit in any row that we have.
No, but the real reason why I paid for it was because I've never paid for those seats before.
There's nothing special about it. It's just leg room. That's all it is.
Yeah, but it come with like a bunch of you get like the wine and all that type of shit. So I just did it just because it was why not? I used the payout.
Wait, you're flying Mint?
I don't know what it is, but it's hold on.
Oh, the sim account, you motherfucker. Sergio, what I tell you, boy? What I tell you?
I'm gonna tell you right now.
Oh, my heart. Asia low, there it is.
That's the sim account. That's the sim account.
What I tell you,
I'm gonna tell you right now.
What I tell you. Oh, my heart.
All the best trades go to sim account.
Of course.
Stop filled.
Oh, sir.
We got.
What did I say? We said Asia low, which was 438. And then look at that bounce, boy. And there's a fair value gap there. Oh, my Lanta. You know, by the way, Lou, you could have purchased everything in like one thing.
Can I have
the hotel and everything?
It's a plain bagel and cream cheese.
Huh? I want fresh squeezed orange juice.
Man, I was trying to be looking for the cheapest, absolutely cheapest flight.
Yeah, Spirit. As long as you ain't got no bag, Spirit.
Thank you.
Damn, Serge.
Hey, Mike, hook me up with the discount.
Where you trying to go?
Yeah, hold on a second. Y'all can hear me?
Yeah, we can hear you ordering your orange juice, fresh squeezed by hand with the pulp pulled out with tweezers. He said, remove the pulp with tweezers.
Oh, that's funny as shit. Yeah, bro. So I ended up. Let me see. I'm gonna tell you right now. I'm looking at my confirmation.
So yeah, see if it's mint. That sounds like you paid for mint seating. Like it comes with like a meal. They don't serve wine. They don't serve wine to even more space though, my guy.
Yeah, now so I'm in the third row of the plane, and let's see.
Where are you going?
This is this flight is for Sunday, June 22nd.
I'm about to look right now.
Let's see. I'm gonna go on the JetBlue app.
Something sounds suspicious.
For that plane, because the thing is, in general, flights from Boston or to Boston is always mad expensive. Anytime I've come to grips with planes. And if I do a flight where it's somewhere else, it was like half or a quarter of the price. But always mad expensive in Boston.
It's because you get.
It is what it is.
One, it's the furthest destination that we have.
Right. Yeah.
Let me see.
Yeah. And it's like it's always been like that.
Heart hurts right now. Serge, just try to be patient. Oh, I can get private jets now. Oh yeah, I get private jets now too. Yeah, boy. Let's see, Boston, FCO. Yeah, bro, I've been working for JetBlue since I was 19. When are you going? June what?
We're leaving the flight back from Orlando is Sunday, June 22nd.
June 22nd. Let's see this shit.
Yeah, and I'm getting on
See if it's a mint.
984593.
What time you fly?
984. 984. What? No, I gotta put this code in 98593. 98459. Okay. You said what time do I fly? That flight. Hold on,
I uncheck
slow
it.
it down.
We cancel those reservations.
Right. Oh shit.
That's like
Where's the confirmation?
60 available seats. 40.
Damn, where? Hold on. Okay. We leave Sunday 3:55
3:55.
from Orlando.
Let me see this play. No, not that one. Because I didn't know they did wine like that on even more leg room. You fancy.
You see it?
I can see it. I'm curious as to why.
No, so it does say that though, right?
Oh, I mean, I can't. No, it's not a mint flight. So I didn't know they did mint though. That's dope.
So that is a mint flight? I did.
Nah, it ain't mint.
What I have is mint. Oh, okay.
It ain't mint. If it's showing like 3 rows on each side, it ain't mint.
All right.
Let me see. Watch this. Sergio, watch how mad he's gonna be.
I click manage trip, and then let's see.
Yeah, when you like select your seat or whatever it does, it'll show you like 3-3 probably.
So what?
It'll probably show like 3-3.
3-3 what?
Like seats. 3 seats by 3 seats. Sergio, if you want to go with them,
Hey, I'm down. True.
it's gonna cost you. Wow, this ain't gonna be nothing. $43.
You're lying.
That's dead ass.
Let me see.
Let me show you. Screenshot it right now. Screenshot it.
To go on my same flight.
Yeah. I don't know if it's gonna show you the flight number on this one. Let me see. Show me the details. It doesn't show the exact flight. Yeah, it doesn't show you the flight number, but I guess it'll show you this part. But they don't change.
That's me. I appreciate it. Good looking.
He goes and cancels all his shit.
So what is it that you're doing, Mike, right now? Like
I just reposition aircraft from like the hangars, parking pads, customs, wherever the plane gotta go. I pick it up and drag it over there.
Oh shit!
Easy peasy work.
Wait, so you said the flight you just stole was $43?
Like yeah, if well, not for me. Like say Sergio wanted to go. I'll show you right now. It cost him $43, and he gets his bags for free. He gets 2 bags.
Is that the homie discount?
That's the homie discount.
Oh shit!
That's standby though.
Damn.
Oh yes, but see that flight is basically booked out. It was like 4
No, it's
seats.
not. It ain't. They fucking lie to you, my boy.
People, oh,
That flight, I think that flight got 40. Hey, right now. They like don't ever listen to that shit. That shit, that shit false advertisement.
Hey Lou.
That flight got like 40 some seats open.
Hey, yo.
Don't ever listen to that almost booked 3 seats remaining. Ain't no damn 3 seats remaining.
No. So it was. Oh, all right.
It was seats remaining at that price. That means they about to jack up the price.
Hey Lou.
Yo.
That means we can all have we can all meet up in the future.
Yeah, there's 40 seats open on that one. There's 68 on the one at 230.
On the 355 one you're seeing right now.
Yeah, there's 40 seats available.
Bruh. Hold on.
I can see all that.
So wait. So when you go to fly, you gotta put a code in the stuff, right?
Nah, look, no.
Or you just log in? Like
I log into our little
your portal.
Yeah, like a little portal.
Okay. Got it. Okay, so
I can see everything. Lou, canceled Lou. Full refund. Downgrade to row 25 by the bathroom.
Hold on, man.
Now that I could do, I could be like, hey, move this family to the last row.
So now, alright. There ain't no way, bro.
I sent you the picture right now.
Nah, I just saw that shit, but I'm just saying, like,
No, I sent you another one.
Wait.
See where it says capacity? It means a flight can hold 150 people. Authorizes, it means it's fully approved for 150. Sometimes they do less for weight restrictions. Seats sold 108.
Bruh.
He's like, man, I just made it. I just made it, man. No, you didn't, bro.
Lou, go ahead and cancel those tickets right now.
So I didn't book the insurance.
Nah, because you still a month out, my guy. That shit can fill up real quick.
Huh.
That's the problem with standby. Is like you book standby too far out, you might be sitting there all day.
Gotcha. So I might not. Okay. So
you make it. You'd make it. You just might sit there for a bit. Like say you didn't make that one, right? You booked standby, you didn't make that flight. The next one's at 5:20. It's got 39 seats open. You might make that one. Say you don't make that one. The next one's at 8:45. That one got 58 seats. You probably make that one.
Standby is probably best if I'm traveling alone.
If it was just like you, yeah, or you had time, yeah.
And I had time, but okay.
You flying on a Sunday out of Disney, like.
Yeah,
it's a little scurry.
Okay, because I'm about to go back upstairs and see. And I don't think for this flight, I don't think it was a couple seats. I think that was for the flight I took for Spirit. I think this one, the only issue was all the seats weren't near each other. That was
right. You have kids on your reservation, right, under the age of 18?
Yeah.
What's the youngest?
13.
Now they might separate you guys, but they'll try to put y'all together.
Yeah. See, and the thing is with my girl, like she the type that she want to pay to know it. Like, okay, yeah, we're good. I know for me, I don't give a fuck. I'll be like, hey, if I originally want to flight at 9 a.m. and ended up getting on the flight at 3 p.m., 6 p.m., and I have to wait all day and I'm chilling, and I got my computer with me and I'm chilling.
Yeah, we're chilling. Yeah, we're chilling.
But you know, with the ladies,
no, I don't want to wait. I want to go.
We need to go now. Oh my god, I don't want to see you for hours.
So, you know what I'm saying?
Trust me, boy. I know.
You know what time it is.
Bro, we got delayed one time because the flight came in like 3 hours late. We had both kids, man. Oh my god, I heard it the whole flight, and then the 2-hour flight back to Fort Lauderdale, and then my ears and this. And I was like, oh my god, just be happy you getting home.
Yeah, that's how it be.
Damn, y'all got me fucking dead, yo.
Yeah, it's bro. That shit real.
Bro, don't you have a Latina wife, bro? You should know that.
That shit real, bro. Like that shit is fucking real. So yeah, that's why I'm like,
can't believe we're doing this. Why?
Like, this is some bullshit.
Oh my god, we should have just took this one.
That's
We
crazy,
should have took the 6
man.
a.m. one.
So,
Yeah, listen, that's a good time because I'm telling you, the airport don't seem busy. Watch, once you get into Orlando, airport's gonna be dead. Like that airport is usually dead. That big
Orlando?
ass- Orlando's a massive. You don't understand, bro.
no,
It is
I know it is.
massive
I
airport.
remember how big that airport was.
Bro,
God,
it's-
yeah, it's crazy.
Sergio, let me give you reference. Orlando Airport has alligators that walk through the grass. That's how big this airport is. They have alligators
Yeah.
that cross
Yo.
runways.
I got lost in there once, bro.
Yeah.
It's the backup airport for the U.S.
And
Yeah.
they got
Like-
little buildings. They got like you gotta take an elevator to go.
Yeah. And you got to take the train to get from one area to the other and all type of shit. Let me see. All right, so I'm back on the website, right? I'm gonna click from Orlando to Boston, Sunday, June 22nd. Okay. Now I'm literally I'm gonna go through the process as if I'm booking it right now. Okay. 3:55. It says the fares start from. It says Blue Basic is sold out, so that's what it was. Because this is what I do.
Yeah,
I
that's
go
like
on.
no bag.
Yeah, so I go
shit.
on skip lag, right? I do
Oh, yeah,
that.
yeah.
I'm like, okay, Spirit. I find the times we want. Okay, Spirit on the to Orlando. Okay, JetBlue on the way back. I go to the website. Then I go to JetBlue. The fare that they showed on skip lag was for the cheapest one. I get to the JetBlue website. That fare is not there because Blue Basic is sold out. So I click on the fares. It says from 355. That's just Blue. That says free carry-on bag, free seat selection, no fee to change and cancel. Oh, no fee to change and cancel. What? Okay. All right. So now, okay, I click that. So Blue has free carry-on bag, free check bag, free seat selection, no fee, no change/cancel fee. Same day switches may be made after midnight on the day of travel. Oh, on the day of travel. Okay. Wait, same day switches may be made after midnight on the day of travel. All right, so I click select Blue. Fine. All right. Now I'm waiting for it to take me to the next page. Here we go. All right. So we're at this point now, total for 3 people is 1,063. Okay. Then we pick the seats. Boom. Okay, over there. Confirm details. Okay, I need a name. Hold on. I'm gonna just do this real quick. First name A, last name M. That's fine. Okay, it says 2 characters required. Fine. I'm just gonna do some bullshit just to get through. Okay. Gender, female. Boom. Boom. Okay, boom. All right, confirm. All right, next seat, leave that. Okay, boom. 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 Okay, boom. All right. Okay, now, next part. Now, so total with taxes and fees comes to 1,063. Okay. So now it says select seats.
That's with who? That's with JetBlue.
This is with JetBlue. This is that same flight you just showed me. So now I'm gonna take a picture and show you what I see.
Did you already ask you for bags included?
Yeah, mine already got bags included.
Yeah, that's what it is. That's why you're paying. Because usually it's $50 per bag,
Okay.
and if
So
they're
now-
overweight, it's even another. It's like 60.
Right. Okay. So now I'm on the thing. I see 1, 2, 3. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. It shows 30 seats available.
I got 42. But yeah, somewhere in there.
Okay. So I see that the seats that we picked, that I originally picked, they're now there's an X on them, so they're already. And I paid an extra 109, and it
That means
says
you have the seats. That's why.
yeah. So I have those, and it says those they have orange over it. And I'm sure you know, but I'm gonna hit the pick.
The orange is
It says even more.
Yeah, that's
And
your
so-
like extra legroom.
Yeah. So this one says even more. Even more includes premium perks at the airport and on board. Extra legroom, a prime location towards the front of the plane, early boarding, dedicated bench space, free in-flight alcoholic drinks.
Oh wow, I guess it changed it up. That's
yeah.
nice.
Free premium snack offering, priority security at 30 plus airports, and then also free high-speed Wi-Fi for everyone, free live TV and movies at every seat, free brand name snacks and drinks. And it says, does not apply to flights under 250 miles or with no in-flight service. I don't know what that. So my flight is not 250
like the Bahamas.
miles.
The Bahamas don't have a
Like from Florida to there.
Yeah.
Okay, that's okay. So, and my flight is definitely from.
Yeah.
That's like what? I got to be like. Yeah, that's what? That's over 1,000 miles.
Oh, for sure.
That's like 1,500 miles, between 1,000 and 1,500. Okay, yeah. So I got that. All right. So I guess it's not. I mean, for someone paying on the website and from Boston, I guess that price isn't that bad.
No.
But knowing that it can be free, you know, it is.
I mean, it's always gonna feel like that, though.
Yeah, that's because obviously, if you know an employee like I do, I know you, and you say a price, that price that you're saying, that's not available to everyone. So,
No.
yeah. But so yeah, I guess the 15. So I paid a total of 13. Whatever the 1,000 plus 100 times 3, whatever that is. So 1,300. It's fine. That's fine. I get the premium shit, and I was like, hey, I'm using a payout for this. It's fine. Cover it. Like it's literally, it's not really coming out of my pocket. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So that's how I'm like, all right, let me just. I literally booked it on the day the payout hit my bank account. So, but it does suck though. But hey, I guess on the next one, maybe I can see what happens with if I hit you up or whatever.
Yeah, it all depends on where you're going.
Yeah. But yeah, that's what it is. Okay, even more. Plus up the core JetBlue experience with premium perks. Okay, so what? So since I have this ticket, right? Where do I go? So in Orlando, in the airport, there's a spot that I can go in. Like
yeah, you got like a
us?
check-in desk and all that. Yeah, I call it Just Ask Desk.
Okay. All right, and I guess once I go do the check-in and all that, they'll tell me that I have that.
Yeah, there's a whole desk for it, like a whole check-in area for it.
Got it. Okay.
Oh, not
All
mint.
right,
No, the upgrade is regular check-in. Sorry, I keep thinking you're mint because of the fucking alcohol. Nah,
well, it says there's premium perks at the airport and on board.
Yeah, that's on board. At the airport, you're just probably priority boarding.
Okay.
Yeah, it's just
okay.
That's all it is.
All right.
You get to board early. They'll call like vets and military and people with small kids, and that's when you board.
Yeah.
You got the kids. Whenever they say kids, you jump on board. Fuck them.
Right. No.
Yeah, that's all it is.
Yeah, that makes sense. Yeah, I guess so. So it's not too bad.
Order filled.
What's
900 for the day. We're gonna call it.
Yeah, definitely call it. What's really gonna kill me though is them tickets at Universal.
You're getting the multi-day.
Well, we're only gonna go to we're gonna be at Universal for only one of the days, and that's Friday.
What's the other shit y'all doing? Volcano Bay.
We're doing a bunch. I don't even honestly.
They just opened up Mario World. They just opened up Super Mario World too.
That's why we're going.
Oh yeah, so get the. I mean, your kids. I don't know if they're
that's literally the reason why we're going.
Are they gonna do the water park?
I have, bro. I literally.
No, because it's an extra. It's an extra. Everything there is extra, bro. Let me tell you, everything is fucking extra.
Yeah, and I've been to Universal before too. I've been there like 3 times already. So this is gonna be my 4th time. So I know it's expensive as hell.
Y'all doing Disney?
Nah, just Universal and only one of the days. And I know we're gonna be doing like the Fast Pass and all that because the first 2 times we went, we didn't do Fast Pass. It was It took mad long. The third time we went, which was last year or 2 years ago, we did fast pass and we got through everything quick. So we always gonna do fast pass.
Yeah, it's always summertime too. You would definitely want to do that shit. You midsummer.
Yeah. So we're doing that, and then we're also going with a bunch of other family. So it's not just us, and we're all staying in an Airbnb.
Oh, okay, that's dope.
Yeah, and the Airbnb for like the 5 days total. But my group is only like 400.
Yeah, the Airbnbs out there are real cheap too, and they're nice.
Yeah, and they're very nice. So it's crazy. I've been to Florida now. Now I think about it, I've been to Florida like 10 times.
Yeah.
Yeah. So it should be cool. But the only thing is it's always been bad, bro. Whenever I go
always
down
gonna be
there,
expensive, my boy.
Always, bro. I spend when I go because it's usually every time I've been down there, it was 5 days or more. Every time I always spent, I just there, just in Orlando. I'm not even talking about getting there. I'm talking, and not even living. I'm talking about just in general, just paying for things while I'm down there. I always spent minimum 3K, minimum. Damn. 3K in 5 days, minimum.
Damn.
Minimum, every time, every single.
It's expensive, but it ain't that expensive.
Well, that's just my girl like she like doing all type of shit, and for me, I try to make it fun. So I'm trying to, when we go down there, I try to do mad shit.
If you're gonna go over there, you gotta go with some paper because you gotta spend it, bro. The last time that we went, we spent around 3K or 4K too, like.
Yeah.
Because it's expensive, bro. The food,
everything.
While you're walking in the areas, you gotta pay for food, or you gotta buy it. Man, everything's expensive, bro.
Bro, every step I take, $100 down there. Every single step, $100. And then we doing the arcades. We went to this place called Andretti. It was a dope ass little arcade down there. We did mad shit, bro. Mad. So again, I'm
try everything.
Yeah, that's what we do. We
little bit of everything.
Everything. So and then got the whip down there. We driving one spot. We in the spot for 3 hours. We doing this. Wifey want to do this. Sebastian want to do this. He want to do this. Other kids want to do boom, boom, boom. All right, next spot here. Okay, you know what I'm saying? And then we also those passes for Universal. It's like $350 per person plus fast pass. Plus we're eating at the park. Plus we're drinking at the park. Plus
the fast pass go hard though. It's worth it.
Yeah. We did it last year. So
yeah, that's definitely worth it.
Yep. So yeah,
I think as long as you enjoy, it's worth it, bro. It's all good.
Of course.
It's not. It's once every blue moon. It ain't like every day.
Yeah. Of course, and I'm cool with it because I feel good. I feel really blessed this year.
And it's from a payout, so it's like hard work, reward.
Sure.
Yeah, exactly. I feel very good about it's literally from payouts and all that, and I put a bunch of bread aside for it. Like I like the money that I'm gonna spend, I already have it. Like I have it sitting. Yeah. I'm chilling. I wouldn't go somewhere if I couldn't. You know what I mean? So that's why I'm like. That's why as I was booking it, me and my girl were looking at the screen, and I'm like, oh, look at these 2 seats, and we're like, oh, we got these 2 seats here, but then another seat here. I'm like, okay, y'all 2 sit over there. I'll just sit on the window. She's like, no. There's 3 seats up in this section. Just pay a little extra. I'm like,
Yeah.
So just did that. Nah, but it was cool. She was like, you don't have to. I'm like, no, I'll do it. It's cool. I'll do it. It's all good. So it should be fun. It's a month away, or less than a month away. But yeah, it's gonna be cool. It's gonna be cool. I'm actually excited. I can't wait because it's gonna be like, how many of us are going, Sam? Me, you, Mom, Hector, Anna, Minu, those 2 kids. But yeah, it's like 8 of us, 8 or 10 of us, and then her family. She also got. So my homegirl also got family down there. So they're also gonna be coming to the Airbnb and chill and stuff. So we got the pool up there. It's gonna be dope. I'll be taking pictures and shit. It's gonna be fire.
You got a nice Airbnb or what?
We got a nice Airbnb. Nice.
I'm gonna show up and be like,
I remember the time that we went, we got one, and They had like everything was set up, bro. The kids' room had fucking arcade games
Oh, you
and
got the big
Bro,
all type of
that's
things.
That's a big house.
that's what
Yeah,
we
this was
have.
badass.
That's
Yeah.
exactly what we have. We
This
have
shit
a
was
big ass
player, bro.
houses.
yeah.
Yeah, and the shit ton of
Yeah.
rooms, bro. Shit ton of rooms. I was like, damn, this a shit ton of rooms.
Yeah, bro. This shit got there's a big ass room with a bunch of like arcades, and then because it's in a gated community, so big ass room with a bunch of arcades, and then the house also has its own pool, and it has a big like not a net, but basically so flies can't get in.
Yeah. The net,
Yeah.
hell yeah.
Yeah,
Because they got a
so
lot
it's
of
gonna be fire.
mosquitoes back there. Yeah, they got a lot of mosquitoes.
A lot of them. So and it's a big ass pool, and then there's like a little hot tub.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then they got the grill.
The grill.
Yeah, bro. So that's what I'm saying. Like it's cool. Like this is like I think we've all worked hard this year. I think this is nice to have like a little mid-year vacation and come back and then get back to it.
Hell yeah, bro. Do your thing, bro, for sure.
Yeah, that's
enjoy it, bro.
Can't wait. Yeah, man.
What you call it? And you know what tripped me out over there when I went? That Airbnb had that thing that you said, that net.
Yeah.
It had it towards like the pool area.
Mm-hmm.
And then it has a door, bro, and you can get out to the actual backyard.
Yeah.
There was extra space in the back. I was like, what the fuck? I ain't even seen nothing like that before.
That's exactly how ours is set up. It's a big backyard.
Dope, bro. It's dope.
Big backyard. So yeah, it should be cool, man. I'm excited. I'm excited about to just make sure the fam is good. Everybody having fun.
Yeah.
Yeah, that should be fun. It's expensive as hell, but hey.
Are you so right?
Watch
to spend it.
You're gonna be making so much money, bro. Next time you're gonna be like, man, you're gonna spend way more. Yep. The more you make, the more you're gonna spend.
You're gonna have a limo driver.
That's a fact.
Fucking hell yeah, bro.
And we got an enterprise rental. I wanted to rent an exotic car, but I'm like, nah.
Why didn't you get a Toro car?
Well, this car I'm getting, it's my homegirl. She has some type of, I don't know how she got it, but I'm getting the car for 5 days for $50.
Ooh. This for
the whole time. I'm like, all right.
That's player price.
Yeah, all right, shit. Cool. And it's like a Honda Accord or something. I'm like, all right.
Let's go.
You can also get a car on Turo. They got them exotic cars there too.
Mm-hmm.
It's an app called Turo.
Yeah, I'm on Turo. I had a car. I had a car on Turo during COVID, but like I literally got a car. I wasn't using it, so I'm like, let me put it on Turo.
You put it on there?
Yeah, but no one ever used it because no one was using whips.
Yeah, it was COVID. Yeah, I feel you.
Yeah, yep.
So that's to have like a business, right?
Yeah, yep. To have people rent my car.
That's dope.
Yeah. So yeah, no one ever did because no one was doing. Everyone was in the crib. Yeah, that's what it was. So, but yeah, that should be a cool time. Definitely can't wait. So, and I think let me not say definitely because that can always change, but I don't plan on trading that week.
That's next week?
Nah, this is in June. This is June. We leave June 18th.
Oh, okay, mid-June, bet.
Yeah.
June
17th. Yeah, that's mad time. So book a couple more payouts. Just keep going. Yeah, and also too, when I fly, if I'm gonna go somewhere, I don't want to land that night. I want to land in the day. Like I'd rather land before check-in and be able to just roam and do shit because I don't want to waste the day. You know what I'm saying? Like I don't want to if we're supposed to be there on a day, I'm not trying to land at like 9, or I don't want to land at 6 p.m., 7 p.m. and then like, nah, like.
Oh, yeah, flying out there, huh?
Yeah, we flying to Orlando.
Hell yeah.
The first flight leaves at 5:45 a.m.
Man, that's crazy.
And I'd rather sleep on the plane.
Hell yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Price is shit today.
Mm-hmm. Yep, that shit trash.
Yeah.
Except for the little dumpy dump. That was
it. That dump was nice, bro. That was sweet.
Yes.
I didn't catch it.
That's it.
I didn't catch that dump.
I caught a little bit of the upside move, and then I caught a little bit of downside, but then that was it. I was up out of there, got what I needed to get, and
get out. Hell yeah.
That's it.
Hey, bro.
Yes, sir.
I downloaded the game on the phone and it runs better than the PlayStation. As crazy as that sounds.
For real?
Yeah. Oh. I got my controller hooked up to the I got it Bluetooth to my phone, and I swear it runs better than the PlayStation.
That's great.
My boy, he said I'd rather play on the phone. Man, that should have drained your battery too much. Fuck that.
Oh yeah.
It's not so bad yet, I don't think.
Huh?
It's not too bad yet.
Oh yeah. Gotcha.
Yeah.
My little boys, I told them, bro.
Y'all done?
As soon as, hell yeah, I've been done, bro. Fuck that. I ain't trading right now. I do probably like the afternoon whenever the news comes out.
Mm-hmm.
Probably, if not, because I don't want to touch the accounts. I got one in negative, and then I got two positive accounts.
Let's go.
Yeah. I was like, man, because when I was just fucking with it, like, I was like, hell no, I kept losing on that one. I was like, no, I'm good.
Yeah, cut that, yep.
Yeah. But, yeah, I'm done for the day. I'm okay. I don't want to mess with it. At least for the afternoon.
Yeah. Yeah, I think the afternoon is going to have there's going to be a move there. For sure. I think so. But yeah, it doesn't make sense to do anything stupid.
Yeah, hell no. Now the price action was pretty in the morning when that push was up.
Yeah,
that's some nice.
Yeah. Yeah, definitely not trying to do any dumb things. Yeah, we got the FOMC, those meeting minutes. But other than that, like, I think, I don't know what else is happening. Nothing really else. Nothing more. Yeah, it looks like they're gonna try to push new lows. It looks like, but again, that's.
Have y'all messed with TradeZilla?
TradeZilla? Nah, I haven't.
Anthony was telling me about it this morning. It sounds pretty cool.
Yeah, I've seen some people.
That's that note. That's that shit that keeps track of your trades, don't it?
Yeah, a lot of insight on your trading and your psychology and stuff.
Yeah.
There's another one called Norton or something like that. I heard that one's badass too.
That's the one I have.
Norton or something like that. I don't know what it is. It starts with the N though. I heard that one's nice.
It's Notion.
Notion. There you go. Notion.
Yeah, that's the one I have.
Yeah, I heard that's nice.
And how much you pay a month?
The Notion one is free, I believe.
Well, it's free?
I don't pay for it.
Shoot, let me start some out real fast.
Okay, no,
I got a spreadsheet. A Google sheet.
Got a piece of paper.
You Thank you, sir. Hey. Thank you, sir.
I'll be right out with the food, sir.
Yes, sir. Yeah. I'm at that Whataburger.
Hey, let's go.
Oh, shit, give me that.
We don't got that.
Man, I was mad yesterday, bro.
What happened?
So yesterday I had this migraine, bro. This shit, I'm telling you, it didn't go away till like 4 a.m, bro. Like my shit was hurting since, I'm talking about half of my night, from like 6 p.m. to 4 a.m. So my wife's like, look, let's just get you something to eat and then you try that fast tomorrow. And I was like, you know what? I think I'm going too fast at it, because I'm just trying to like go cold turkey, right? Like you gotta prepare yourself for a couple of days and then like eat a little light, right? And then go on your fast. And I was like, all right, bet, fuck. So we came to Whataburger and at 11 p.m. over here they sell breakfast, right? So I grabbed me a breakfast, bro. We get home, my wife, we had picked up my mom, then my mom wanted something, so we bought her something, and my wife gave my mom my food, bro, and I didn't realize it till we got home. And she gets into her room because we didn't get home just like right away to eat. I was doing little shit here and there, right? So by the time that I'm about to grab my food, bro, I open up my shit and it's a burger. And I was like, what? I didn't want this. This is not mine. So I go to my mom's room and I'm like, Mom, this your burger. She's like, she's like, I already ate your food.
She already ate yours. I knew it.
I was like, hell no. What? Yeah, she ate my shit, bro.
Yes, sir.
All right, thank you, sir. So I was fucked for the night. Because I got pissed. I was like, Mom, I got a biscuit. Why would you eat my biscuit? You got a burger. And she's like, oh, it's because that's what y'all gave me. And I'm like, Mom, like, you know better. Like, if you open up the damn thing, it's a biscuit. That's not what you wanted. Why would you eat it? You could easily just be like, hey, this is the wrong food. And she ate it. She was like, she's like, fuck that.
She was grubbing on that.
She took my food. So I ended up not eating shit regardless. I was like, man, fuck.
Damn.
I'm hungry as shit today, so I'm like, man, I'm finna give me my biscuit. So that's that.
Yo, Mario, do you ever have a bad headache like that again, bro?
Huh?
If you ever have a bad headache like that, because my mom gets that shit. Yo, you go into the bathroom, you fill the bathtub with hot water up to your ankles. You sit on the side of the tub, you soak your feet up to your ankle in the hot water, and you put an ice pack on the back of your neck.
Oh shit!
All the blood is gonna rush to the warmest part of your body. The blood will always be attracted to the warmest part of your body.
Oh, all right.
So all the pressure from your head should help go down to your feet. So that way your medicine and shit can take time to work. But yeah, my mom gets migraines.
Oh, all right. It's because I don't take medicine, bro.
Just some Tylenol and sit on the side of the tub. Soak your feet with an ice pack on your neck. It'll force most of the blood to your feet. Keep the pressure off your head a little bit. Like you get that shit in your eyes, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, now man, my brain felt like it was fucking inflamed yesterday. I felt like my shit was just pounding, bro. I was like, damn, my shit hurts. And then I don't take medicine, bro. I don't like no medicine. I don't like nothing over the counter. Mm-hmm. Normally I would make me a tea. I would have made me like some chamomile, but I wasn't even feeling it. I was just in pain, I was like, man, I ain't feeling nothing,
Yeah, just try that next time.
Hell yeah, I appreciate it for sure.
And my mom went through that shit most of my childhood.
Man, I feel you.
That's lit right there.
I don't be getting them often, but I think yesterday was just that. I don't know. It was just some shit, bro. Like,
damn, I caught the low, my boy.
Everything was looking fine, bro.
All right, let's lock out.
Hell yeah, I see that push.
Let's go.
I lost like 500, and then I caught the low. No, I caught the low on that 1 hour. If you could jump to a 1 hour, you see we filled that fair value gap all the way.
Oh, bad.
We tapped that. We filled that 1 hour fair value gap, and we ripping right now. Look, we ripping. But I can't make more than 1,400 a day, so I gotta take that. I gotta close it out.
Yeah.
What time frame is the fair value gap?
1 hour.
How many contracts you be putting up?
Today I was aggressive. I usually start like 25 now.
Oh shit!
25 micros.
Man, I got you.
Yeah, bro, I'm trying to be aggressive on this live.
Mm-hmm.
But I got a drawdown, so
What's your account size?
150K.
Oh, all right. Hell yeah, that's why. Yeah, you're right. Yeah, probably not bad.
Look at that candle, bro. Listen, Serge, draw a line at that 1 hour. Right where that fair value gap ends, right there at 432, bro. We tap that shit and rip.
Yeah, y'all see that? God.
I call all that.
Call all that.
But I can't. I got consistency rules on these sim funded. So,
well,
honestly, them consistency rules really be helping people.
It do, but
yeah,
time,
it can be a hindrance.
It slows you down a little bit.
It can slow you down a little bit, but at the same time, it can help you not
be patient and not YOLO. It makes you slow down. It makes you slow down.
Right, because a lot of times too.
Patience, bro.
Yeah, because I know there's been some people that if you don't have a consistency rule, people will just keep trading and keep trading and keep trading and keep trading, and then there's always that one trade that you take a loss and then you're trying to get it back, and then you lose again. You're trying to get it back. And it's like,
that was me on Friday.
Damn.
Yeah. That was me over the past weeks.
Well, that's why, like, if you ever trade 500 futures, if you get like a starter plus or some shit, that there's no consistency on the lives, only on the evals.
What's the consistency on the eval? Like 30%?
50.
50?
Yeah, it's 50. It makes you do 2 days, but there's no consistency on
the my fund. Did they actually open that up? My funded futures.
Yeah, they were.
I thought Sergio said that they weren't going to be able to open it up in the U.S.
No, that's funded next.
No, funded next.
Funded next, yeah.
Oh, okay.
Bro, I wish funded next. They're charging like $75 for 25Ks right now. One time pay only, but it's not straight into funded, but still that's a good deal, yo.
Yeah.
But we can't trade on them since
the consistency makes you stop.
Yeah.
It protects them, really.
Yeah,
really, it protects them because you have a 30K day or some shit. Like, imagine you took from Sergio, who was with us this morning trading?
Nate and Anthony.
Nate called the fucking high. Like, he called the high of the day. He took shorts at 560.
He sure did.
Nate's getting on his shit.
Now imagine, you know what I'm saying?
Imagine shit with that, huh?
Imagine he was like me and took 25, micros. Oh, he took 2.5 for 150 points at $50 a point. They can't consistently pay out that kind of money. That's why they have consistency rules.
Mm-hmm.
It's a gamble for them. Either you're gonna get that one trader who's like, yeah, give me that, or they're just gonna roll their account.
Or they just move you to live.
Oh yeah, they
move you to live. Then that's not even that. That's not their issue anymore. Cause
my funded does. You go live after 3 payouts.
Yep.
Oh shit.
Yep. Yeah. Because that's basically the company's stop loss.
Yeah, pretty much.
Yep.
I'm gonna give me a live account with futures here in the following weeks, and I'm gonna just go for like $20 days on it.
Just remember those margins are wide. Like when it takes a lot of money on a live futures account. Mm-hmm. So I forget who was in here talking about that. I actually looked it up. It does take a lot of margin to trade these micros.
Well, so it depends. It's funny, so funny. Me and Serge was talking about this yesterday. So it depends, because I have my live account too. So it depends on the broker, right? So, like, all right, Thinkorswim. If you want to trade futures on Thinkorswim platform, Charles Schwab, they got crazy margins. I'm not even talk about it because it's dumb, it's stupid. Next, then you got AMP. AMP has pretty low margins. Ninja Trader Brokerage has pretty low margins. And so in order to trade one micro, you got to have at least 300 in your account to trade MNQ or MES.
On Schwab?
No, on Ninja Trader Brokerage.
Oh, okay.
Schwab is like a couple thousand to trade one micro. It's stupid. But Ninja Trader Brokerage and AMP, and because they've lowered margins now since the market's volatility has gone down and the VIX has gone down, if you want to trade a live account, If you want to trade one micro, that's MES or MNQ on Ninja Trader brokerage, you have is a $300 or $100 margin. It's $100 margin. So that's initial margin, right? Then there's maintenance margin. Maintenance margin says you have to have a certain amount of money, like your net liquidation amount has to be a certain amount in order for you to stay in the trade. Otherwise, you'll be liquidated. It'll be like a margin call. And if you get margin called, then it's like a $50 fee. So this is what that means. If you enter a trade, say you have only $300 in your account, right? In order for you to, say you have $100 in your account and you enter one micro. In order for you not to be margin called, you literally have to either go short where you pick the top. You cannot go one tick against you, or you have to pick the absolute bottom and go long. Because if your net liquidation falls under $100, they will liquidate your account because you have not met the margin requirement.
That's basically being at zero. They start at zero from that point.
Yeah,
exactly. So that's what that means. So that's why if you can put $1,000 in a live account and you can trade one micro. The only way you'd be liquidated at that point is if you let the market go against you $1,000 in one micro, which is very hard to do, which we're not doing.
Or $900.
Yeah, exactly. Or not $900, exactly. If you go in one micro and it goes $900 against you in a day, you will be liquidated. So that's why if you put $5,000 in an account, you trade a couple of micros, get your money, get gone. Get your money, get gone. Also, too, for me, what I do is if I make $500 in the live account, man, I'm taking that shit out. $500, give me that. That's not staying in Ninja Trader brokerage. That literally gets wired to my bank account. I don't play games with these folks, man.
Yeah.
These market folks, no. I get my money, I'm gone. Because no one is immune to a tilt day.
Yeah.
So you have a tilt day. I mean, I had one a couple of weeks ago. If you have a tilt day and you've had all these gains and you haven't taken it out, that will get wiped out.
Man, I've done had tilt weeks.
You know what I'm saying? So that's why I get some bread, get enough bread. Like I won't withdraw $100. 500, give me that. 800, I need that.
Yes, sir.
And I keep less than $10,000 in the live account. You will never see me have a live account with like 30, 40,000. It's just you don't need that much in there. You don't. And there are people that do, and that's fine. That's their philosophy. That's just not me. That's never been me.
Every time.
And going for $20 or $50 a day, bro, that's $100 at the end of the week, easily.
Yeah. I mean, if that's what you want to do, for sure. Like I know for me, I'm going for like 100, 200. I'm gone. That's like real. That's live capital. That's cash. That's in my hands. I can buy something with that. Whereas these prop firms, there's like these rules and payout rules and all type of which is fine. That's cool. But you got your take profit. You got your TPT account. You make some bread. You withdraw that. You got your brokerage account. You make some bread. You withdraw that. You got some Apex. You make some bread. Couple days. Okay, withdraw that. It's the perfect scenario.
Well,
so that's why for me, like people are like, hey, the point is to only be in live, and I'm like,
my boy that only does live, he sprinkles them. He sprinkles like several accounts, like separately. That's
what I'm saying.
Yep.
It's free. It's if you keep your discipline in check, and it's literally free leverage. That's how I see it. It's literally free leverage.
Yeah.
So, yeah, I mean, but again, everyone has their own, opinion or however someone is gonna run their business is how they do it. So it's not wrong. If someone says only live, they're not wrong. Like that's just for them. That's how they do it.
Right.
For me, that's not how I do it. I'm not the guy. I'm not a 10,000 per account per day guy. It's just because if you want to go make 10,000 per day, you got to be willing to lose 10,000 per account per day, and I'm not willing to do that. Not yet, at least. You know what I'm saying? Once we get like 100 M's, yeah, I can lose 5K. I put on 25,000 minis. Yeah, of course.
Yeah, that'd be crazy.
But yeah, that's how I'm feeling. I don't know how. What's y'all perspective on it? I don't know if y'all got any opinions on it. I would like to hear though. What you thinking, Serge? What you thinking, Martin? What you thinking, Mike?
As far as like a live account or
just in general. Yeah.
I feel like having like a live, it'd be kind of tight. And like you said, not like 40K, like nothing crazy, just something, because we know we can do this, and so just like scalp like little baby bucks of the market, and that money just sprinkle it out, whether it's by more funded accounts or by evals, or maybe even like get a little gambling over the weekends on some crypto.
Yep.
What y'all think, y'all?
Yeah, what y'all thinking?
Wellness check. Y'all in the building?
Right.
Mic on? Oh, Lord.
Oh, Lord.
Wellness check. Oh, man, I think we lost him.
Yeah, we might have lost him.
Oh, no.
What happened? What I missed? Who got Ricky?
We're asking for y'all's opinion.
What happened? Sorry, I was on the phone with the tag and title people.
No, we're just wondering what y'all thinking about like live accounts. Like,
if I'm gonna do like a live account with that kind of money, I'm doing Forex.
Gotcha.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I'm trading Forex. It takes a little longer sometimes to get your money, and you lose a few dollars.
In Forex?
Yeah, but the commission.
Oh, like CFDs?
Yeah, like say I trade like on Trade Locker or wherever.
You be doing the Nasdaq 100, right?
Yeah, you would trade Nasdaq 100, and I mean you as soon as you close the trade, you go and you can take your money out.
Right.
It may not be instant. I mean, nobody's instant.
I mean, you can do that in futures too.
Yeah, but the commissions and all that stuff sometimes, man.
But the commissions ain't that bad, fam. It's like $5
per trade, though, right? Or and margin.
But if you're going, for example, for $30, bro, that's only $5. You feel me? I mean, I know it's money, but it's not super. It's doable. You feel me? You're paying how much? Like $50. Like let's say you're taking one trade, or you're paying like $50 a week. That's not bad, Not too bad, at least. And bro, sometimes, and to be fair, bro, on CFDs, that spread be nasty at times. So it could be like a 20 point, 15 point spread.
Yeah.
So at the end of the day, at times it's worse, and usually, you got a spread too, but usually it's a crazy spread when it's like 4 points, 5 points, but not. I don't think it's as crazy as the spreads on CFDs,
Well, shit.
Yeah, the margins, the margins and all that stuff. I think on on futures, it's not too bad. And like on micros, it's let me pull up the let me see. What we got? Ninja Trader commissions. Like, because I have a lifetime license on Ninja Trader too. So
nice. I think I'm gonna read the commissions and what's their fees for TraderBait. I'm gonna see what's up.
Yeah.
TraderBait is Ninja though, ain't it?
Well, Ninja Trader owns it, but
they're two separate entities.
Yeah, it's its own platform and its own thing, but they have.
Gotcha.
Yeah, let me see. So all in rates lifetime. If you trade MES round trip, let me see. MES is 65 round trip, 65 cents. Let me see. Yeah. Let's see. 65
cents to trade MES?
Yeah, 65 cents round trip on a live.
Oh dang, that's not bad. Is that cheaper than MNQ?
Yeah, it's gonna be. Yeah, it definitely would be. I would say it's not the same ratio though. It's not like 1/10, which that would be nice if it was. But like, say if you trade one micro in and out, it's 65 cents. It's 65 cents. Wait, hold on. 0.65 times 2. It's $1.30 round trip. So if you take a micro, it's $1.30 per contract. Round trip.
That's doable. And now that you mentioned that, I actually remember what Nathan said. When you know how we said that different brokers had like different margin criteria. The one that Nathan had, it was like very toxic. It had like, in order to get into a trade, you must have like 2,500, and he got margin called just by going into a trade because he was only meeting the minimum. So
that's a whack broker.
Yeah. It makes sense now, you know.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, this is updated February. Hold on. Last published May 22nd. Okay. Here, I'm gonna save this template down again. Oh wait, that was updated that day. Okay, they have not updated them, so I'm gonna download Administrative Features Commissions download. Save and replace, yes. Now I have that. Okay, yeah. Yep. Yep. Well. Yeah, man. Yeah.
Listen, Lou, bring that sunscreen, my boy.
Oh yeah. I'm gonna be ready for that. There.
And the biggest canteen you can bring, because that water over there is ass.
Oh yeah, that's hell nah. So when I went to Vegas, I went to to go drink some water.
Tastes worse than the water hose.
Bro, that Vegas water is trash. And then when I was having some of the water in Florida, I'm like, yeah, we got it good up in here in Boston. Like,
Hey,
The water here in Boston is crisp.
Then that fucking bottled water, that spring water, that shit tastes like ass too.
Yeah.
Even straight from the whatever glades, man, that shit's ass.
That shit's
When I went
trash.
to Disney, I was like, I have
that shit is
never
awful.
tasted water so bad in my life. Even when I went to Portland, Oregon, that water was better than that. Disney has the worst water I've ever tasted in my life.
Yeah, we definitely got nothing, Brad. Yeah, I definitely got blessed with this Boston shit because Boston water is top of the top. Very good water. Yeah, so definitely gonna be having like the Poland Spring because it comes from like some Maine. It comes from Maine, or whatever. So, oh shit, Apex sent it. Hey, let's go.
Monies.
Apex for the win. Apex for the win. They still owe me a couple racks, but it should come. Yeah, TPT when they send it, it literally comes next day. I know with Apex it takes maybe like 2 or 3 days. But
all right, boys, I'm out. I gotta go take some pictures of this truck and get it listed. Try to sell this fucking truck.
Oh, okay, yes, sir.
All right, bro. I'm fixing calling it there as well.
Yeah, I'm
already locked out. So
good shit.
All right, y'all.